Today we are going to read about transitive and intransitive verbs. Transitive and intransitive verbs. These are the types of verbs. Let me see what is transitive verb and what is intransitive verb. But first to see, here is written 4 examples, 4 sentences. So first we will read, and through the sentences we will know about transitive verb and intransitive verb. Let me see. In example 1, Jack opened the book. Jack opened the book. Yesterday we have read about object of verb. Object of verb. It means who is receiving that action. That is called object. Who is receiving that action, that is called object. So, let us see. Jack opened the book, and the second example is Sheetal threw the ball. So first you have observed what action being here. What action being here? So in sentence 1, open action is being here, and in second sentence through action is being here. Okay, so open is verb and through is also verb. But in sentence first, who is receiving that action? Book. Who is receiving that action? That action is receiving by book. That action is receiving by book. So book is object here. Clear? Now, in second example, in second sentence, Sheetal threw the ball. Through the ball. Through is action. Okay, action of verb. Okay, so who is receiving that action? That action is receiving by ball. So it is object. Clear? Take care. So that action is receiving by book and that action is receiving by ball. It means in these 2 sentences, book and ball are object. Book and ball are object. If we hide this object, so in these 2 sentences, book and ball are object. If we remove these objects, then will these sentences be meaningful? No, it will not be meaningful. Okay, so when a verb needs an object to complete the action, to give the sense of action, that is called transitive verb. Okay, so when a verb need an object to complete the action, that is called transitive verb. Transitive verb. Okay. So when a verb need an object to complete the action, to give the sense of a sentence, that is called transitive verb. So in example, first and second, we have seen without the action will be not meaningful. It means through and opened will be not meaningful without these objects. Now, let me see what is intransitive verb. Okay. So, see, here is given example third. Amy writes well. So, in which manner Amy writes? Okay, she writes well. So, what action is being done here? Here, writing action is being. What action is being done here? Writing. So, writes is verb. And this action do not need to complete the sense. This verb do not need any object to complete its action. Now, let us see. Next, Jack smiled happily. So, what action is being done here? Is smile. In which manner Jay is smiling? Happily. He is smiling happily. Okay. So, in this sentence also do not have object. But this is meaningful. That verb is also meaningful. It means in this sentences the action is completed by the subject. Okay. So, what is intransitive verb? When a verb do not need an object to complete the action, that is called intransitive verb. Okay, that is called intransitive verb. Okay, students. So I hope you must have understood these two types of verbs: transitive verbs, intransitive verbs. Transitive verbs need an object to complete the action, or intransitive verb do not need an object to complete its action. So once again you will read the